Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. This is Vivian Wakeester, Vivian Designs. So today we're gonna be baking cookies. So I'm gonna be baking special for him since he's a vegan. So I choose some flour. Well, you know it already. Olive oil and so forth. Pineapple. You know. That's it. So let's go and jump in. Baking soda. One. Flour. Have oat powder. We're gonna be baking nice cookies. Stirring it again. Honey. Olive oil cookies for honey. Instead of putting butter, just put this 1/4 cup. Sit in here for this one, at least lock it, and let's put it in. See that? I put all the ingredients in, and then I'm gonna bake in a slow. Look at this. Yeah, that's it. This is very good. Just 1 minute mix for the dough. For the cookies, just 1 minute and that's it. Or even 30 seconds. see you in 18. Pinagkasya natin. Alright, see you in Semana, pandesal, and cookies. Just now the cookies. Cookies before I'm gonna put to the jar. The jar is ready. Look at this. For the jar.
My honey's cookies are always very good.
Try that one first. What can you say about it?
Delicious. Very good.
What is inside? Is it good? Nice. Look. Is that soft?
Very nice.
That's the texture. The texture.
Very nice. Very good.
Soft or